See here. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Suppose how to use very important concept. How to use digital sum in fractions. How to use digital sum in fractions. In fractions. How to use digital sum in fraction. A fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction. Where numerator is less than denominator. A proper fraction will be of the form numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. This is the basic method. Advanced method, I will discuss it in the enrolled batch, right, in fractions and decimals class. This is a basic method. This is the basic method. This is the basic method. I hope it is clear. Proper fraction. Anamika, we do not have an SSC special batch. We take CAT special batches. Kindly wait for 1 or 2 weeks in case if I get a time. I am extremely busy with a lot of NIT and IITs taking sessions in the colleges. I will come back to you. Kindly write the message only once. Do not clutter the chart with same message multiple times. It's an irritation to the viewers and it is also an irritation to the speaker. Right? Same thing, don't say it again and again. Once you will say, God has given me minimum intelligence to understand it in the one time or probably second time. I hope it is clear. Proper fraction. Numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Basic method, advanced method, I will only discuss in the CAT paid batches. Denominator. If the denominator digital sum is 2, 4, 8, 2, 4 are 8, or 7, 2, 4 are 8. The next case is, if it is 1, you don't need to do it. Digital sum 1 means it will become a very easy thing. You don't need to do it. If the digital sum is 2, multiply it by, if the digital sum is 2, multiply it by with 5, numerator and denominator. 2 5s are 10, digital sum it is 1. 4 7s are 28, digital sum it is 1. 8 8s are 64, digital sum is 1. 7 4s are 28. If the digital sum is 2, multiply numerator and denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator with these numbers 5, 7, 8 and 4. These numbers 5, 7, 8 and 4. Right? This is a basic method, advanced method. Again, I will discuss. Multiply. If the denominator digital sum is 2, multiply it by 5 numerator and denominator so that the denominator digital sum is 5. If it is 4, it is 7. If it is 8, multiply it by with. Reverse is also possible. 7 with 4, 5 with 2, 8 with 8, 4 with 7. I hope it is clear. So, what is the central idea? Please write down. Central idea. When we discuss recurring decimals for 4 hours, CAT enrolled students, you will understand some beautiful concepts. Key points. Make the denominator digital sum 1. 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 This method is applicable. This basic method is applicable only when the denominator digital sum is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Only when the denominator digital sum is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, it is applicable. Why it is not applicable? Why? It is not applicable for 3, 6 and 9. Why? Because 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 9 will give you recurring decimal values. They will have a periodicity of factor of p minus 1. CAT paid batch, I will discuss in detail. For the non-enrolled students, it is not applicable because of Fermat's little theorem. You can type in Google and do a research on Fermat's little theorem to find out why the denominator digital sum is not applicable. 3, 6 and 9 in simple language. I will not discuss the entire theorem. 3, 6 and 9 will result in recurring decimals. Recurring decimal digital sum is not applicable. We will stop it there. At a bank SSC level, that level is enough. But for a CAT level, we have to discuss in detail. Because this class is for all the students who are preparing for aptitude examination, I'm starting there. Root cause, you can go to Higher Algebra by Hall and Knight textbook, type Fermat's little theorem to know it. I hope this concept is clear. Now, examples. First one, suppose 17 by 64. 17 by 64. 17 by 64. 64 digital sum is 1. So 1 plus 7, the digital sum, it is 8. I hope it is clear. 1 plus 7, it is 8. Suppose if it is 13 by 97. 13 by 97. 97 digital sum is 7. Multiply with 4 numerator and denominator. It is 52. Digital sum is 7. Digital sum, it is 7. I hope the idea, it is clear. This is a basic method. In advanced method, I will discuss the drawback of the basic method. 41 by 1718. 41 by 1718. Now, 171, digital sum is 8, multiply by 8, numerator and denominator. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 8s are 40, digital sum, it is 4. Digital sum, it is 4. I hope it is clear. So what we are doing, ideally, it is convert division into multiplication. We are actually doing division into multiplication. How to use digital sum in division? Convert division into multiplication. Convert division into multiplication. Convert division into multiplication. For example, 144 by 16, it is 9. Convert division into multiplication. 16 into 9. Now the digital sum of LHS should be equivalent to digital sum of RHS. Digital sum of left hand side should be equivalent to digital sum of right hand side. 7 9s are 63. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 equivalent to 9. I hope the idea, it is clear. Convert the division into multiplication. Convert division into multiplication. Now, let us use it. Next 10 minutes, it is going to be extremely interesting, sir. Read this question. Read this question. This seems like a weighted average question. Pay utmost attention, sir. Pay extra attention. 10-15 minutes, I will discuss a new logic. Pay extra attention to this problem. I will discuss you 2 shortcut techniques to solve this problem. 2 shortcut techniques. Read this question. First, read the question. First, method 1. And I will discuss method 2 also. Method 1. In fact, method 1 I will discuss. Method 2 I will discuss. I will also discuss method number 3. Method 1. First, read the question. This is a weighted average question. Read the question. 7 kgs of tea costing 280 rupees per kg. There is one quality of tea which costs 280 rupees per kg. He bought how many kgs? 7 kgs. He bought 7 kgs. Each kg costs 280 rupees. That is mixed with. So addition. 9 kg of tea costing 240 rupees. 9 into 240 divided by First, how many cages? 7 cages. Next, how many cages? 9 cages. So these nothing but weighted average. You take one quantity, mix the quantity, and tell me the average of the remaining quantity. In a class, there are boys and girls. Boys' age is, average age is so much. Girls' average age is so much. In a class, there are both boys and girls. What is the average age of the entire class? I hope it is clear. In a basket, there are fruits. The average price of apple is so and so, average price of banana is so and so, average price of guava is so and so. There is a basket full of fruits. What is the average cost per fruit? This one way. 7 into 280 plus 9 into 240 divided by 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. It is a very calculation intensive problem. This is a calculation intensive. You have to do the calculations. 7 into 280 plus 9 into 240 divided by 7 plus 9. Divided by 7 plus 9. This is one way. Another way. Now see here. By using digital sum approach, I will tell you another beautiful Anil Nair's way of solving. Digital sum approach. 7 into 280 plus 9 into 240 divided by 7 plus 9, which is 16. 16, what is the digital sum? 16 digital sum is 7. If the denominator digital sum is 7, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, because we have to make the denominator digital sum as 1. 7 into 280 plus 9 into 240 divided by 16. 16 digital sum is 7. Multiply it with 4. 7 4s are 28. Denominator digital sum became 1. Denominator digital sum became 1. First, it is clear. 9 into any number, answer is 9. If I add 9 or multiples of 9 to any number, answer digital sum will not change. 7 into 280 digital sum is 1 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 digital sum is 1. 28 digital sum is 1. Again, I am repeating. 9 into, don't waste your time. 9 into any number 9 plus 280 digital sum is 1. 1 7s are 7. 7 4s are 28. 28 digital sum is 1. 28 digital sum is 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18, it is 9. Answer is 2, but I want 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Answer digital sum, it is 1. 7 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Answer digital sum, it is 8. 7 plus 5, 12, 18. Answer digital sum is 2. It is not possible. A smart student might ask me a question. Sir, what if the answer is 275.50? 275.50. Not a single doubt, you will get it in my class if you listen to the class with utmost attention. I hope it is clear. Some important observations. Each, there are 2 quantities of tea. One quantity is costing 280 rupees. So 7 kgs I bought. Another quantity 240, 9 kgs. I mixed both the quantities 7 plus 9. 16. You don't go by these calculation and waste your time. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 digital sum is 7. If the denominator digital sum is 7, multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. 9 into any number 9. 9 are multiples of 9 with any number. Answer digital sum will not be affected. 280. 2 plus 8, 10, 1 into 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Digital sum is 1. Answer which option digital sum is 1? We are stuck between 2, and I kept another answer option because most of the teachers will tell option number 2. What if more than one answer option has got the same digital sum? What will you do? That logic also should be discussed, right? They only know till that point of a time. So you can teach the teacher, what if more than one answer option has the same digital sum? Keep the fifth option, 275.50. Are you all with me? Now, logic. Anil Nair's way of solving. Please write down. Anil Nair's way of solving. Write down this one. Anil Nair's way. Anil Nair's way of solving the question. First, we will discuss the concept. Then we will optimize the number of steps. Optimize means reduce the number of steps. Optimize the number of steps. Then we will calculate the answer, so that you will understand why it is used. Then we will calculate the answer. First we will discuss the concept, then we will optimize the number of steps, then we will calculate the answer. Before we discuss, let me have a glass of water. Madhukumari, right? You can purchase my course to get the playlist. I don't keep all the videos freely. I'm a teacher, I'm an entrepreneur. In case if you want to know all the logics, you have to purchase the course. In YouTube, 5 to 8% of the content will be available freely, right? Rajamouli does not give his movie free of cost, right? Even your superstar Salman Khan also will not give. You should also not ask for a free course, because tomorrow, if you ask for a free course, tomorrow when you get a job, right, you should tell your boss, I learnt freely, so I don't want the salary. Please work for free and then learn the classes free. People I don't do anything for free charity. Charity does not have a value, right? If you are asking freely, you should ask everything freely. You should ask everything freely. There is a Right to Education Act. Everybody should get educated, but with a nominal amount. That is the Right to Education Act. You are watching my videos on a mobile. Mobile recharge is not free for you. Mobile set is not free for you. Right? Over freeness will actually kill the value of the content. I hope it is clear. In case if you want content freely, right, people might want subscribers and do it. I don't want that. Subscriber concept also is not there. This is how I teach. Interested, you will WhatsApp and you will purchase the course. I hope it is clear. Now, Deep, I will discuss everything after the class. At the end of the class, any technical issues that you are facing it, have some patience. If you do not have patience, then I cannot do anything. After the class, this is the third time I am discussing. After the class, all the technical issues, right, will be there. Number system. In the number system paid course which I am releasing, I am going to keep the problems where I solved every problem. You can always purchase the course. Now, Deep, I hope I answered the question. Wait till the class is over. If you do not have patience, then do not join the Telegram group, right? Best of the teachers do not keep on forcing the students to like it or share it and join the Telegram group. You think I am adding value, you will join it. Next one, see here. Concept. First, we will discuss the concept with an example. There are two quantities of rice. 68 kgs of rice. It is costing 63 rupees. It is combined with 85 kgs of rice costing 81 rupees. Find the weighted average. Find the weighted average. Weighted average means what is the average price of the mixture per kg? Weighted average meaning is average price of the mixture per kg. Average price of the mixture per kg. Per kg. Weighted average. Now see here. Listen carefully to this concept. Comments I will answer after I discuss. Weighted average. Average price of the mixture per kg. First I bought a rice, which is costing 63 rupees, low quality rice. I bought 68 kgs. I bought 68 kgs. Then I went and bought an higher quality, 81 rupees. I bought 85 kgs. Totally how many kgs I bought? 68 plus 85. 68 plus 85. Now there is a concept we know. Average always lies between lowest value and highest value. Average always lies between lowest value and highest value. Point number 1. Eliminate the option. What is the lowest price of the mixture? 63. What is the highest price of the mixture? 81. Average always lies between 63 and 81. So average should be greater than 63 and less than 81. Average should be greater than 63 and less than 81. I hope the idea it is clear. Eliminate all the options which are less than 63 and which are greater than 81. All the options less than 63 are eliminated. All the options greater than 81 are eliminated. Viewpoint 1. Viewpoint 1. The way the aptitude should be learnt by the students. Viewpoint 1. What is viewpoint 1? Average is greater than the lowest value. If I take average as greater than the lowest value, 63 plus 63, deviation is 0. 0 into anything. Those students who have read statistics book, we have taken a mean deviation method. Average is greater than the lowest value. So 63 plus 63, it is 0. 81, 63, deviation it is 18 into 85 divided by 68 plus 85. It is 153. Is it clear? Average is greater than the lowest value. 63 plus, see, two weights are like this. These difference from here to here, that is given to 81. 81 and 63. Deviation it is 18. That is what we have written here. Suppose, sir, you took average is greater than the lowest value. What if average is less than the highest value? Viewpoint 2. 85 plus 63, 68 is 17 less than 85 minus 17 into 63 plus 0 divided by 153. Very, very important. Pay extra attention, sir. Pay extra attention. 81 is 18 greater than 63. So plus 18. 68 is 17 less than 85. So minus 17. So plus into minus, answer will be less than 85. Viewpoint 1 and viewpoint 2. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? Average should be greater than lowest value. Average should be less than highest value. Answer should be greater than 63. Answer should be less than 85. 81. 81. These two we are taking. See, these where students might come. We require average price. The concentration is on this. Take 63 plus or 81 minus. Don't take it on a, this is a consumption, sir. These consumption, how many kgs I purchased, these price, question is on price. So average should be greater than 63, average should be less than 81. Listen carefully. Listen carefully, sir. First concept, 68 kgs of rice costing 63 rupees. 68 kgs of rice costing 63 rupees is mixed with 85 kgs of rice costing 81 rupees. Is this the question? Sorry, I wrote it as reverse. That also can be done if the consumption is asking. Bracket I wrote, this is 68 kgs. That also can be asked. It all depends upon the question. Because we are discussing on the price, let me do it. These 85 kgs. These 85 kgs. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Viewpoint 1. How am I optimizing? First we discuss the concept. Now optimizing, reducing the number of steps. 63 into 68 plus 81 into 85 divided by 153. 63 plus 0 plus 18 into 85 by 153. Now listen carefully. This is what we got. Very important fraction which I require. 17 5s are 85. 17 9s are 153. This is 63 plus 5 by 9 into 18, which is 73. I will tell you why am I writing step by step. Viewpoint 2. Viewpoint 2. This will be 81 plus minus 18 into 68 divided by 153 plus 0. Listen carefully, sir. Again, if I optimize it, 17 fours are, 17 nines are, 9 ones are, 9 twos are, 81 minus 8, 73. Average is greater than lowest value, average is less than highest value. Average is greater than lowest, average is less than highest. In both the cases, we got 73. What is this fraction? These 81 plus or minus 4 by 9 into 18. Please put a star mark on this both. These 63 plus 5 by 9 into 18. Next one it is 81 minus 4 by 9 into 18. What is this 5 by 9 and 4 by 9? Now concept clear, optimizing clear. Now direct answer how to write. Now direct answer. How to write the direct answer. Listen carefully, sir. Direct answer. How to write it? Simplify the 68 and 85. 17 fours are, 17 fives are. Are you all with me? 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85. Average is greater than the lowest value. So answer will be 63 plus. If you are taking this value, take the opposite 5. Add 4 plus 5, 9. 81, 63. What is the deviation? 18. Answer is 73. Answer is 73. Suppose if you are taking lowest, 81 minus. Answer is less than the highest value, 81 minus. What is this value? 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Deviation, it is 18, 73. Are you all with me? There are very, very important learnings from this question. Whenever two quantities are combined, write down in your notebook. Whenever two quantities are combined, exact consumption we don't need. Ratio of the consumption we need. Ratio of the consumption we need. Exact values we don't need. 17 fours are, 17 fives are. Simple concept. Average. Average lies between lowest value and highest value. Average is greater than the lowest value. Average is greater than the lowest value. So answer is 63 plus. 63 plus. Take this ratio, 5 by 9 into 18. Average is less than the highest value. 81 minus 4 by 9 into 18. I hope the idea it is clear. Next class, next slide, all the problems will be clear to you. There is a class. There are 25 boys are there whose age is 18 years. And in a class, there are 30 girls are there. 30 girls are there whose age is 29 years. Whose age is 29 years. What is the average age? 5 seconds you will get the answer. What is the average age? Average age. In a class there are boys and girls. 25 boys are there whose age is 18 years. 30 girls are there whose age is 29 years. Optimize the number. Total number of quantities, how many are there? Optimize it. 5 fives are, 5 sixes are. Are you all with me? So answer will be greater than the lowest value. 18 plus. Take the opposite value. 6 by 11. 29, 18. Difference is 11. 18 plus 6. Average age of the class is 24 years. Average age of the class is 24 years. Average is less than the highest value. 29 minus 5 by 11 into 11. 29 minus 5. Answer is 24 years. Answer is 24 years. If anybody asks you how you got this answer, entire previous 2 slides, step by step I gave it to you. You will not get a single doubt in my class. Suppose here it is 30 kgs of wheat is mixed with 40 kgs of wheat. One is costing 35, another is costing 42. What is the average price per kg? Average, weighted average price. Weighted average price. I don't need the exact number of quantities. Make it optimize. These 3s are, these 4s are. These 3s are, these 4s are. So 35 plus 4 by 7 into 7. What is the answer? 39. What is the answer? 39. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? 35 plus 4 by 7 into 7. Now see here. Let us generalize it. Let us generalize it. If this is P1 and this is Q1 and this is mixed with this is P2 and it is Q2. Q1 is to Q2. It is in its simplest form. That means lowest form. HCF of Q1 and Q2, it is 1. HCF of Q1 and Q2, it is 1. Simplest form. 30, 40, 3 is to 4. 25, 30, 5 is to 6. 25, 35, 5 is to 7. What is weighted average? Weighted average is given by, I don't know why people make it so complicated. Let me call it as P. So P equivalent to P1 plus Q2 by Q1 into P2 minus P1. Are you all with me? That is what we did it. P minus P1 equivalent to Q2 by Q1 into P2 minus P1. So reverse it is Q1 by Q2 equivalent to P2 minus P1 by P minus P1. This is nothing but allegation concept. Very, very easy. Why people discuss it as separate chapter? I don't understand. These allegation. P always lies between P1 and P2. Average always lies between lowest value and highest value. Average lies between lowest value and highest value. Average always lies between lowest value and highest value. We have taken a case where Q1 and Q2 can be further simplified. Q1 and Q2 are further simplified. 30 to 17 kgs. Let me take Suha's doubt. 5123 kgs. Answer is 32 plus 23 by 40 into 19. Finish. 17 and 23 are already in its simplest form. If they are already in its simplest form, 32 plus 23 by 40 into 19. I hope it is clear. It is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Now let us get back to the question. To all the non-enrolled students, ask your doubts in the class itself. Otherwise, right, generally doubt solving facility is only provided for enrolled students because we do not have time. We have so many students to handle. Enrolled students have paid for us, so we have to give them service. Now it is 275.50. 275.50. Now let us solve this question. Now how to solve this question? Let us take another slide. Third question. What are the kgs? It is kgs. Let us see the question. First it is 280 per kg, 7 kg, 9 kg, 240. 9 kg, 240. 9 kg, 240. 7 kg, it is 280. 7 kg, it is 280. 9 and 7, they are already in its simplest form. 240 plus 7 by 16 into 40. 7 by 16 into 40. So 240 plus 280 divided by 60. 16 ones are 16. 120. 120 is, answer should be closer to 258. Answer should be closer to 258. What is the option which I wrote? 275.50. 275 is not closer to 258. This is how you can eliminate by using weighted average. Very, very easy topic if you understand it conceptually. If you do not understand it conceptually, all these you will remember the formula and you will practice it. I hope this idea it is clear. First we have discussed the concept, then we reduced the concept into minimum number of steps, 5/9. Then we wrote the answer very, very fast. This is how a student should learn whenever you are preparing for an aptitude examination. This is how the batches run in our enrolled batch. In case if you want to learn everything from me, you should definitely enroll CAT batch number 2, which we just started last weekend. In case if you probably are going through any financial difficulty, buy the number system CAT course, learn everything and then invest it on the next topic. Now, Raji Rao book. See, there is no book. I go through about 250 books of mathematics I referred. Then I am preparing the class notes. In case if you want a logical way of solving, you can always WhatsApp this number and you can purchase the books which I wrote it. So that in case if you are a non-formula based student, you can always WhatsApp this number to buy the books which are written by me. I hope the idea it is clear. Now we are going you can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.